Hey, my dear. Welcome to Learning English with Music. Today, we are going to practice the English verbs with the song By the Endless Blue from Refusion.
Nice.
Ready to listen, to sing, and learn? Link in the description. Let's go.
I walk these shores alone, sand between my toes, wind carries me home to where the water flows. Soul on my skin tonight, waves wash my fears away in this fading light. I find peace in the spray. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. By the endless blue, I love you. Tide pulls at my heart, like memories that won't fade. Here where I can start to heal from what I've made. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. By the endless blue, I love you. The water knows our names. Without you, nothing feels the same. Morning breaks the spell, but I'll return again to you in this place I know so well, where the ocean is my friend. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. By the endless blue, I love you. Ocean waves continue.
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Bye now.